Are you looking to buy or sell a landed property? Perhaps not now, but in the near future? Well then, this free webinar is just for you, and let me tell you why. Landed property transactions are more complicated as it involves the title of the land. For home buyers and sellers, there are more things that you should take note of as compared to other residential properties. If you are buying a brand new house from an unlicensed developer, what should you be watching out for? What if you're buying an old house for rebuilding? Have you checked if the land is affected by road setback, encroachment, easement rights, or anything which is critical? What about financing your purchase or even securing a construction loan? Many home buyers and sellers are not even aware of such loans available. You may be curious, why did I even mention home sellers? If you are selling an old house, you can possibly capitalize and get another 20 to 30% more if you rebuild a brand new house, even after deducting your construction costs. Many of you may be fearful at the thought of rebuilding a landed property. You imagine having to deal with unscrupulous contractors or having to submit countless applications to government departments. But is it really that difficult? Over the years, I have also seen many homeowners rebuilding and selling their new house after it is completed. Somehow it took them a long time to find the right buyer. Is that due to the bad design, the poor layout, or the wrong choice of finishes? Or perhaps it may be a bit of everything? Well, we will find out from the experts in our webinar. I have invited 3 very important guests, and I'm sure they have all the answers you need. From the legal side, we have Julia Chan, who is the Managing Director of Sterling Law Corporation. Julia has been a law practitioner since 1988 and managed not just property conveyancing, but en bloc and development work for real estate developers as well. She will advise you what you should be watching out for, making sure the landed property that you're eyeing is free from encumbrances. Next, we have a banker, Florence Liu from OCBC Bank. Florence is the cluster manager in charge of the mortgage specialist team. She has all the answers you need with regards to securing a home loan and the construction loan for rebuilding your dream home. Last and not least, we invited an award-winning architect from Amil Architects, and none other than Mr. Amil himself. I knew Amil since 2003 when he built one of the houses for a client of mine in Bukit Timah. But for those who are not aware, Amil has built many beautiful houses and condominiums, not just in Singapore, but overseas as well. He has even built a golf resort in China. I'm sure we will learn a lot from these experts during the webinar. Many people ask me, why am I organizing this free webinar? For those of you who do not know me yet, my name is Alex Chua and I am the founder of landedspecialist.com and the moderator for this webinar. I have been in the real estate business since 1992, but not only that, you'll be surprised, more than 80% of my transactions are actually landed properties, which is something I'm very passionate about. Over the last 3 decades, I have met many people who face challenges when selling or buying their landed property. Some even lost their money when they decided to give up their option to purchase after realizing the title of the land they bought has complication and not free from encumbrances. So I decided, why not organize this live talk show for everyone, since Julia, Florence, and Amil are my friends and business associates. They are not just here to support us in our mission to support you, but most importantly, they are highly qualified in their area of practice to help you avoid any potential pitfall and losing your hard-earned money. Well, enough said. It is time for you to hit the registration button. I will flash the date and the time as well as the registration info at the end of this video. I want you to know that this is a private event and seats are limited even though it is conducted online. Do take this opportunity, not because it is free, but rather it will help you make a better decision the next time you're buying or selling your landed property. Thank you for watching and see you at our webinar. Till then, you stay safe for now.